Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. The sunlight is so good right now.
Okay, so lately my feed has been full of cats. Like they're everywhere. And I'm sure yours is probably the same. So I wanted to join in. And best part is I don't have to worry about how it would turn out because anything cat shaped is gonna be cute anyway. Finally got some food colors since my clay used to become dry as I only used pastels. I went for a chocolate brown color. I didn't really mix it fully, so it had this cool, uneven sort of marble design. For the cup, I mixed in a little pink and red to create this cute blush color. As you can see, the cup looked quite plain and sad, but I suddenly had this idea, so I took a Q-tip and dipped it in alcohol. Then I started making this heart shape on it and it looked super cute. This is when I thought there could be another cup that complements this heart. We could have a partner. Here I am listing a bit of cornstarch so that the clay doesn't stick while I roll it out. I got these cute craft scissors and honestly they were terrible on paper, so I was kind of nervous, but they worked so well on the clay.
Cheers.
I used the same matcha color and here I made the heart with the same pink red shade. So it kind of looks like they complete each other. Cheesy, I know, but it's so tiny and cute.
You would think your hands are pretty clean and then you realize it's not. Like half of the time I'm just cleaning the pieces, so yeah, clay art can be quite humbling.
So I added a cute pause and we're pretty much done. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the process. Let me know your thoughts. Thanks for hanging out with me and like always, like and subscribe and see you in the next one. Bye bye.